Okay, welcome back guys. So welcome to part 2 of the video tutorial where we're going to be looking at creating a high quality map. So this is going to be a short one because I am going to create my last part of the video tutorial to actually focus on advanced map cartography and so on. So just to get started on this one before we actually move on to section 4 and section 5, let me just open up this one for you so you guys at least know what to do. But the last video is going to focus on actually creating the high quality map for this. So let's want to start this process. So let's switch off our buildings PMB, and as you can see it's talking about the Pietermaritzburg land use, but as you can see there's only one color, and we have land uses. We actually have different classes of land uses. So now to open those different classes, you can actually double click on the actual PMB land use and come to Symbiology. Under Symbiology, come to quantities. So before we actually go there, let me actually open up the attribute table for Pietermaritzburg. And as you can see in the Pietermaritzburg, you have your FID, your shape, your code, and your class. And your class is actually contains the actual relevant land use for that particular polygon. So as you can see, we have commercial, we have residential, and so on and so on. So now I want to show those different classes, right? So double click on it, come to Symbiology, come to quantities, then not actually quantities, come to categories actually, and let's come to unique values. So you actually want to display the unique values or the unique classes within the land uses. So remember, under the attribute table we had code, FID, and class. So you can click on class and you can say add all values, and as you can see it demonstrates all the unique values within that class. So all the different values within that attribute table. So you can actually click switch that off so it doesn't display one color, and you can click OK. So then as you can see, all the different land use colors appears, but you can see that the coloring is not so great. The outline is quite heavy, so it doesn't display it quite nicely. But for now, let's leave it at that, so at least we know how to actually categorize the different unique classes within that attribute table. So in the last part of the video, I'm actually going to show you that advanced map cartography of how you can make it more visible, increase the visualization of that. So this will conclude part 2 of this tutorial. So we're going to move on to part 4, 5, and 6 for the next tutorial. So we can actually close this here, so we actually finish in the next one.